Ka Shuki Director General of Police Meghalaya kadang sa thli hadien ka jingken ria kam UR Chandranathan berumendri rangbah ka Jylla ukanrat ke sangma loong bala dep ha kyrteng na bynta kate ka kam ulai thu bala pha lightly ki kyrteng na pedeng ki officer pulit ki bala rangbah ban shimti ya kate ka kam.
Yeah, as you are aware that the process of the DGP's appointment is that the panel of names is proposed by the UPSC. So there is, and it is based on the seniority and the availability of the individuals and their readiness to take up the assignment. So based on that, the top 3 names in the seniority list are sent as an impaneled list to the state government, and further the state government, after following the due process, will take a decision on that. So the communication has just reached us. I have also reached Shillong today. I've hardly sat down for an hour in office, so we will take the process forward as per the prescribed rules and norms. Yeah, I think there are, and obviously as a government we are also very much aware of it. We are of course tied by procedures of the government of India and the way the UPSC gives the empaneled names. This is based purely on seniority, and this is the procedure that is followed throughout the state, throughout the country. So there is a limited scope of the state government bypassing that empaneled list, even though we may want, or the state people may desire. So these procedures are very tricky and are very complicated and very strict, I must say, and therefore there is less room for state government to try to bend those rules. So we will see how to move forward in this, but as I said, at the end of the day we have to follow the procedure that is prescribed, which is followed, as I said, by all the states, and based on the UPSC panels that is sent to us, we have to move forward in those, but we are still examining the entire matter.